All right, everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is Coach Mosley. We're going to just do a quick check-in for April the 1st. As you guys have been learning, as we talked about, if you jumped on a Zoom on Tuesday, we've been talking about the age of oil. And so just kind of how important oil is to not just our everyday life, but even to Houstonians especially. If you looked on the uses of oil assignment that I will be taking up for a grade, but the cool thing about the assignment, more so than about it being for a grade, is that it really does get a chance to point out just how many different things that you may have in your home that basically tie back into oil or petroleum. And so again, as you do that assignment, you're only highlighting the ones that you have in your home. If you do not know what that item is, meaning if you pull it up and you're unsure what that is, Google it. Go and find out, what it means. And so this is this I'm referring to. And let's see, I have a few people here. Yeah, a few people who haven't turned it in. So we're gonna get to that. But the idea is that you go in and just highlight the ones that you have located in your home. Okay. Now, outside of the uses of oil, we had our age of oil notes, which were on, like I said, on Tuesday, and then we learned about spindle top yesterday. So just kind of the different levels as we work our way up through oil. Where we're going to end this for today or for this week, because obviously we don't have school tomorrow, and you also have STAR on Tuesday, so we won't be having any type of virtual school next Tuesday. So today's assignment, outside of the warm up, so please make sure you go do your warm up, click on it, get that completed, just do the best you can on it. Like I said, it's never for a grade, but just more of a check-in assignment for attendance. After you've done that warm up, go in, you'll see the Age of Oil collage, and here you are going to submit a collage completed in Google Slides. So just open up a slide. You only need one slide. You don't have to do, I don't need 5, 6, 7, 8 slides. And you are going to put different images. You can resize it. Sometimes they can overlap. It's okay. A collage is not always really neat. It can be a little messy. It doesn't have to be symmetrical. Symmetrical meaning even. You don't have to create a like a tile effect. You don't always have to do that. So for instance, here's an example of a collage that's not like neat, right? It's just kind of pictures put together. That's a collage, right? Then you have some that are neat. This is a collage as well. This person decided to make it a little bit more organized and symmetrical. That's fine. But again, notice it's different size pictures. All the pictures don't have to be the same size. And so with a collage, the big thing is you're giving pictures to represent what it is that you're trying to uh, convey rather than words. And so what I'm looking for here is two images that represent any of the vocabulary words from Monday. So you had several vocabulary words on the assignment. So just pick two of them and have some images that represent that. I need one image that represents either Spin on Top or 1901. I need three images at least that talk about the benefits, economic benefits of oil, which we talked about again on Tuesday. Is in your notes. One image on how oil and Houston are connected. You might want to focus maybe sometimes on some of the companies that may be headquartered here that are oil and gas companies here in Houston. And then image, it says image three that represent negative effects. So we talked about some, again, multiple effects of oil. And so then these are your negative effects. So any of these things work. And collectively, that'll give you your 100. And this will be due on Monday, April the 5th. So that's what we're working on today. And again, if you have any questions, thank you for reaching out to me. I just know a question. I was just actually in the middle of recording this, and I had a student ask me, like, what are we doing today? So just now. So anyway, that's kind of what we're doing. And so outside of everybody, I say, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday.